Huh? You don't need much. That's the thing. That's full over. Yeah. Alright. Look at your back legs a bit loose. What's going on there? Or is it just... Oh, sorry, I'm not even videoing.
Well, cut then. I had some time.
I've got time on the clock if you want. That's 45 seconds so far. We'll give it sort of 5 minutes, alright? Delay speed's weird, isn't it? Either way. Pow, pow, pow. That's a hell of a turn, that. Ah. If you need me to do anything, just say. Coming up for 3 minutes since run time. So give it 4 and then start doing some approaches, yeah? Weird noise? Right, come up 3.5 minutes, Rich.
Yeah, I'm coming this side.
Okay. Right off the power, right. Still got loads of speed on. Whoa! Nice one. Is it steering?
Just about.
Oh, don't go over there, don't go over there, don't go over there. Well, you just got it round.
Oh!
Oh! What happened there?
Dunno.
Go around that way. Maybe it caught something.
I'm full throttle.
Come down then, come down. It's lost signal. Maybe. Oh shit! Shit!
It's me.
Ah, I thought it was going up on throttle. I thought, fucking hell. It's caught something. Yeah, it's that right leg. What was that? Woohoo!
Oh, Jesus.
Well, shut it down, I think, don't you?
Yeah, I'm just worried about that bloody cool off because I need to get it back really, don't I?
What was that?
Don't know.
Shut it down.
Oh look, I'm on the fucking shit, that's why.
Oh fuck yeah.
We're on the runway, no wonder it's kicking all over the place.
I did see it veer off and I thought, woohoo, yes! You have now officially flown a turbine.
Oh,
Isn't it just the most weirdest feeling in the world?
just amazing. That was hot coming in though, wasn't it?
Oh fuck, you're right over there. Look where you are. You're all this runway, look. You're over there.
Oh mate, my heart is pounding. Absolutely pounding.
Look at that. That's 6 minutes from start to finish videoing. Till next time, ciao ciao.